Combined 2 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Next, I added heavy whipping cream and an egg and beat the egg slightly. Then I added my berries and gently mix those in. Now you can use half and half, that's what the recipe calls for, but I needed to use up some whipping cream, so I used that. Then I took cold unsalted butter and cut it into chunks. Then I added it to my dry mixture and blended it well until it made about coarse looking crumbs. Next, you're going to add the blueberry mixture to the flour mixture and gently stir until it's just blended. Then you'll turn the dough onto a non-stick surface or floured surface. I like to use my roll pat, which is non-stick, so I can just work with it and I don't have to add extra flour. My dough was a little dry, so I had to work it a little more than typically you should, but you be careful not to squish the blueberries as you're working the dough. The scone should have a golden color around the edge and be golden on the bottom, and then you'll know that they're done.